Doug from Big Indian Drift Shop. We've got Boss Man's Toyota Cresida. It's LS swapped with a T56. This car is really cool. The problem is something that we've needed to address for a while, and it's this. This is a naturally aspirated engine. It gets a lot of RPM and it holds it for a long period of time, and it's not vented properly. So we've got vent coming off the back of the valve cover, off the front of this valve cover, going into this little tiny vent canister, and it's just not good enough. What ends up happening, once it starts getting hot and building crankcase pressure, our tape dipstick shoots out.
Yeah.
Man, look at, man, hell no. Hell no.
And it gets oil everywhere. You can see this is our modification for temporary. All right. We're going to get rid of that. Our solution is our Motion Raceworks billet valve covers, a coil mount kit for the coils that are on the car. These are the 10AN fittings, the oil cap, and we've got the dual 10 breather. All the lines, fittings, vent, everything we need, all in 2 kits. Everything should go together super easy, super quick, and we'll get rid of all the problems that we had with this thing venting, and we'll have no more oil coming out of this thing.
That piece of junk, Doug.
This is junk. That one's a different size.
What is that, Doug?
That's junk.
Would you look at this? Look at that. Why would you not want this over that? Tons of background noise from the cine gallery over here. Big Smoke, Katie, Cal, Rome, me and Doug are over here getting it in. Well, Doug's getting it in. I'm just holding the camera.
About these, they come with a brand new set of gaskets. Ooh. So everybody can use a brand new set of gaskets. Look at that.
Very nice. Snugger than a bug under a rug. This whole video, all you're gonna hear is a G35 in the background.
Yeah. Brap, brap, brap.
Coffee Cal.
Coffee cow. These are vacuum sealed for freshness by
Yes.
Motion Raceworks.
Taste them. Is it fresh? Tastes like metal?
Good, that's good. It's good stuff.
Man, those are some fancy doodads right there.
Yeah.
They must put a lot of time and thought into this.
I haven't found anything that they make that's not well engineered. The nice thing about these is you can kind of get them on, you know, if you need to move it a little bit to get it out of the way of something, they can slide a little bit here and there.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna just kind of center them up a little bit. So you got room for the coil and the oil cap and the fitting in the back. And then just go ahead and
Get her done.
pop them down. It's always good to lube this O-ring a little bit before you put it on so it doesn't stick in the valve cover the first time.
Yep.
So you just
Lube it up before you stick her in. Get her in there.
look at that. Minty. Perfect.
What about the other hole?
Oh, that's the same.
The same?
Yeah, we gotta. I mean, I would say spit on that thing, but that's way overused nowadays. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna say that.
No hawk to us.
I know how to do this.
We just got Doug Lickies. Scale 1 to 10, how's it taste?
1.
Nice. Look at them hands working.
Yeah, this is pretty basic. The If you can't figure this out, then you probably shouldn't be doing it.
How do we know if it's tight?
It's cross-threaded. Then we know it's tight enough to not come loose. Okay, this side of the engine should run. This one's ready? Throw this side on.
Finally getting rid of the yellow tape on the old girl.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Ew.
It's nasty. Oh,
What is under it?
a piece of rag and more tape.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah. Apparently the blue tape didn't work, so we went right to yellow duct tape. This would show us where the dipstick was when it shot out, and we needed to find it.
Nice and easy to see for sure.
Think with your dipstick, Jimmy.
Layers, like
Layers.
an onion. What would Hank Hill say about something like this?
This was a hell of a lot better than it used to be.
Look at that.
God damn it. That's awesome right there.
Moments later.
Many moments of it. Not many, but I mean, I think this whole thing, we've got less than 2 hours in it. Changing everything over.
No time at all wasted.
Not really, no. The hardest part was, 4 rib nuts to mount the bracket and then making the lines, which honestly is pretty simple. If you've done it before, if you haven't, it's gonna take a little more time, but overall, this thing should be a lot better. We don't have to worry about blow-by anymore or cylinder pressure, and we're good to go. And it looks a lot better.
Let's go, Doug. There we go. Motion Raceworks. Make sure you guys check them out. Give them a like, give them a follow. Check out their parts catalog. They got a lot of awesome stuff. And Doug would be the man to tell you.
Oh yeah. So we use Motion Raceworks, life sensors, TBM brakes on as much stuff as we can. Hopefully they start doing some TBM brakes for drift car stuff. Maybe, you never know. That'd be pretty cool. Now that your valve cover is installed, you have this beautiful box to put your stock valve covers in. Everything fits nice and easy. So that way you can tuck it in there. Either donate it to a friend or throw it right in the garbage.
Junk.
Junk.